It's time we try out free and legit money-making websites. Now, these websites or apps is going to help you make up to $1,500. Now, I'm not just talking about one or two or three apps, but 5 apps, 5 different streams of passive income where you can start making money right now. So if you want to check that out, then make sure you hover your mouse on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, you can do this method from any part of the world, and these apps, these websites are going to pay you unlimitedly. As soon as you're set, as soon as you do the one most important thing, you don't have to do anything more. You don't have to keep going back to it. Just imagine waking up every single morning, pulling out your phone, and just seeing multiple payment notifications in your notification bar just like that. It just keeps on rolling in. It just keeps on coming in to your account right away. Now, did I mention that this method is actually 100% free and it is available all around the world? There are a ton of different payment methods, so you don't even need to worry about that. You don't need any skills or prior experience to be able to do this method. And of course, the more apps that you're able to use, the more money you could be making, up to $1,500 passively. So if you want to do it, let's jump right into it. The first app that I'm going to be talking about is called surveytime.io. Now, on this website, you take online surveys, and this is the way that we're going to be making money with this website. You're going to be receiving $1 for every completed survey for your favorite brands in the stores. And the thing that I love the most about this app or this website is that all of the surveys are relatively easy. It's super duper easy. It'll only take you less than a minute to complete. So this is where you're going to be able to sign up. You're going to sign up for free. You're going to sign up with either your Google, your Facebook, or your Twitter account. Or you also have the choice to sign up through your email, which is manually. And then you're just going to click on I agree with the terms and conditions from Survey Time and start now. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see all of the different payment methods here. You're going to be paid through so many payment methods. You can also transfer your earnings straight into your PayPal account. Now, speaking of PayPal, if you don't have an account yet, you can easily just go onto paypal.com and then you can join for completely free. And as soon as you've clicked on Start Now, you're then going to be brought to this page where you're going to be required to answer some questions. And then you're going to click on this button right here to finally begin. Now, you're going to have to answer several different questions. It's mostly, personal information, your hobbies, interests, and more, obviously, in order for them to really give you guys the perfect survey that you can complete. So obviously this part will take around 5 minutes, and as soon as you're done with this specific part of the whole process, all of the following surveys, it'll only take you a minute to complete, and you can actually earn a quick $1 for every single survey you're able to complete. Our next app is called Junkfill. Now, all you have to do is to go on to Google, search for Junkfill, and then it's free to download. You're just going to click here. There's a large number of users already. Almost 8,000 people have already signed up on Junkfill. It's an amazing and handy tool. Fills out online forms with junk or custom data. You can use Junkfill to just get your target page by auto-populating or auto-filling all forms of elements on any web page with just custom random data only. Only a small number of people know about this, so make sure that you try this website out. Now, before we go on any further, I want you guys to check the description box down below because we have links there that we carefully created for our subscribers and our viewers, because I know you guys want to earn more money. So if you do want to earn more than $1,500 every single day, check out our description box. Check out those links. Click on it and use it. And also, I want you to comment down below what country you reside in, what your favorite or preferred payment method is, so that in my next video, it's going to be more relevant to our subscribers. Now let's keep going then. So as I said, not a lot of people know about Junkfill yet, and so there's Populates, text fields, fills text boxes, selects radio buttons and check boxes, and manages drop-down lists. And next on the list, it's called Profit Product Creator. Now, lots and lots of people are already using this app and making $1,000 online by using digital products daily. Now, so many people are already making sales and commissions just by using Profit Product Creator. Now, they continue drawing in for every single hour, every minute. Profit Product Creator is 100% web-based, and it is an application. It is a 100% done-for-you method as well. In less than 60 seconds, you're going to be able to earn some profit from digital products. So, here are some testimonies from the United States, and there's just a lot of people who already are telling their story with this app, so it's super great. And you'll know that it only took them a very short amount of time to earn this amount of money, so it's absolutely amazing. It's super duper cool, and you guys definitely don't want to lose it. All these people come from all over the world, and they're earning so much money, different amounts of money and big amounts of money. So it's absolutely amazing. Now, the next task is to find some affiliates, but that shouldn't be too hard if you want to boost your income. You already know that digital products are the way to go, and a lot of successful entrepreneurs who are using online courses make millions of dollars. And the best news is that you can actually create your own profitable digital products with just, a minute of work, or maybe even less, through this app, Profit Product Creator. Now, the best part is that it's very high quality, it's proven and tested, and it really makes you a lot of money in commission on a daily basis with your own digital products. So this is a completely new product, and it's supposed to be an excellent tool for helping users in creating amazing digital information products like ebooks, reports, PDFs. There's a wide variety of database of over 250,000 articles that is available for you guys to create legal material for your own ebooks. You can just, change it up the way you want. Mix and match any content, any combination you can create. It's 100% done for you, unique ebook in less than a minute. And that's all thanks to this website. So obviously, its revolutionary design marks for new major shifts in attracting leads for a steady stream of free traffic and boosting massive sales. It's also very user-friendly, best and great for beginners who is using, the Profit Tool Creator for the very first time. You won't have a problem at all to getting really the most out of the product. It's possible for beginners to start. It's a great product overall. Definitely worth considering, so make sure that you do. You can make thousands of dollars online throughout the entire day. Get free traffic with Profit Product Creator. So if you want to learn $750 or even more, then this website is also a wonderful place to start. If you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all would be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. Next, we have remote tasks. You guys know about this already. You can earn money on this website by completing basic tasks. And this is how it works, okay? You're going to do tasks and you're going to get paid. It's that easy. It's that simple. You can do tasks through your phone, through your computer. You label images, you transcribe audio, and you earn money by completing simple tasks. The first thing that you have to do, obviously, is to sign up. You're going to click on I agree to the terms of service. Then you're going to be able to sign up for free with either your Facebook account or your Google account. And once you've signed up and you're done registering, you get certified in different task categories. And as soon as you're certified, you can start working on different tasks. And lastly, the most exciting part, you're going to get paid and make money after finishing all the tasks that you are able to complete. You're going to get paid weekly, and you're going to start making money online just by doing super duper simple tasks, which you can do on your phone, on your computer, anywhere, everywhere, anytime you want. You're going to enjoy the freedom. Plus, it's obviously secure working at home. And again, you're not going to need anything else, just a phone or a computer, and obviously the internet. And that's amazing, right? Now, last but not the least, we have Eugene Bot that helps in creating automated profit sites. It's going to help you earn about $400 $400 a day with the first natural robot content in the world. This website is also going to provide you with free 24/7 traffic and easy one-click monetization. Now, we know so many bloggers and that a number of them are already making money online just by creating blogs, like lifestyle blogs, earning at $41,000 a month. Another maybe recipe blogs, also earning the same amount a month. Parenting blogs, earning even more. And just different types of categories and niches just to create blog posts. You're going to be able to earn a lot of money to do this. You just have to follow 3 very simple steps. First step, you're going to pick a topic or a niche or a category, any niche that you want, something that you like, something you're passionate about, something that will make you a lot of profit and make you a lot of income. And the next step is to activate the automated profit sites. And for the last step is to monetize with multiple passive income sources. Again, Eugene Bots pledges to monetize your blog by driving traffic and commissions with human-driven tech. It's a hands-free system, completely passive, completely automated, that creates your blog for you, centered on, the interests that you want, and it gives you fresh content, gives you free traffic, and helps you rank your blog site on Google and earn money from it. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.